Alright guys, today's a different type of video. People have asked me about kombucha a while back, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing here, and then I'm going to do videos on how to make your own kombucha. So it's actually quite easy, but here's a kit that I got here. It wasn't overly expensive or anything, so here's the brew your own kombucha tea kit here. We're going to unbox that in a minute. So it also comes with 4 1-liter glass bottles, so you can store it. And I'll show you what the bottles look like here. Just your basic amber type bottles that you can use for a whole bunch of things. There you go. So let's leave that back in there. So we're going to have this right here. There it is, right there. Let's lower this down a bit. This here is what's the whole kit's in here. So everything you need to get started. It is actually quite heavy. And if you guys don't know what kombucha is, it's basically fermented tea. Yeah, so it's just fermented tea, nothing, it's got a fizz to it. It does have something called SCOBY, which is the bacteria yeast sort of fermentation process that they use. So here's what's inside that package. So you'll see, here's the tea. There is the, I believe that is the SCOBY that's in there. And then steps on how to do it. So let's open this up, give you a good idea what's in your kit. You can buy, like I said, the main ingredient is the SCOBY itself, which is this thing right here. See that right here? This SCOBY, it can actually grow. It's like this little, I don't know if you can see that, but this little gelatin sort of thing right there. So that's the SCOBY, and that stuff will grow, and it'll keep dividing and dividing, and that stuff will last forever, pretty much. And then you can make so many brews out of that because it just keeps growing. And it also comes with a strainer, a straw, it's a paper straw, and cheesecloth, and a thermometer. Thermometer is important, but if everything's at room temperature, you probably won't need it. And it does need sugar. So you might be like, "Whoa, sugar!" So yeah, so the SCOBY eats the sugar. So at the end, there's actually not that much sugar in there, but it needs it for it to grow. So that's pretty much it. And it also comes with some tea. So you actually need quite a big proportion of tea. And as you can see, this one tea is what, 16 grams. So, and that bag of sugar is about 250 grams. So, all right. So that's in your kit for kombucha. And if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process to actually make it. So it's actually quite simple. Like I said, you just cook the tea with the sugar, add water with it, dissolve the sugar, then strain it with the cheesecloth, and then put it all into this with the SCOBY. Once the temperature is down, you never put it when it's hot, and then just close it and then just wait to ferment. Yeah, but I'll show you in an upcoming video, so stay tuned, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.